With these bitter cold temperatures on the way, shelters across Columbia are preparing to keep as many people warm amid the COVID-19 pandemic. ABC 17's Connor Hirsch is live in Columbia tonight after checking in with city and local shelters. Connor, one shelter told you they're putting out more cots tonight as the cold rolls in.
And Lucas, that forecast that we just heard is definitely right. It is starting to get a lot colder here in Columbia. I was actually here in downtown Columbia around 4 this afternoon, and people were not wearing coats. And now, as you can tell, I'm nice and bundled up out here. But because of this bitterly cold weather that we are going to see, some shelters are taking those extra precautions right now and in the future.
Our staff is ready, and we've got the cots prepared for folks to come in out of the cold.
Harbor House is able to set out 13 extra cots, which Major Curtis Hartley says is fewer than usual because of the pandemic. The human service manager for the health department, Steve Hollis, says keeping shelters open has been a top priority.
I've been around long enough that there have been times when people froze to death on the streets in our community. So the basic reason is just pure harm reduction. Also, we feel that with the safety measures that we have in place, that we can do a pretty good job of mitigating the virus in the shelters. We have a little more control when they're in the shelters.
While Hollis said the number of people experiencing homelessness has actually gone down from years past and hovered around 150 people this month, there are different concerns.
We are seeing people that are new to homelessness. There's no doubt about it. I would anticipate we're just seeing the tip of the iceberg of this economic fallout.
Any folks who have never found themselves in need before necessarily, who are finding themselves just really stressed about what they're going to do, and they're inundating us and all the other social service agencies in town with lots of requests on a daily basis, pretty much.
Volunteers are also crucial, and Hartley said those numbers have also taken a hit.
Everyone's just a little bit more cautious, so the numbers of people, the number of hours that people are giving volunteering has really dropped off somewhat. And again, it's just another one of those adjustments that we're making.
And the health department is also working with several shelters to isolate and quarantine those people experiencing homelessness who may have been exposed to COVID-19. Reporting live in Columbia, Connor Hirsch, ABC 17 News.
Almost looking like a white Christmas out there, Connor. Thank you. You can find a full list of warming centers and shelters in Columbia on our website.